naman sa ulan ang pinakamalaking epekto ng El Nino.
Pero ang nakatagong paraisong ito, patuloy na kinakarap ang banta ng polusyon.
Of nature, one step at a time. Why we need to bring back the beauty of nature? It's just simple. We need to maintain and experience an unregrettable life. Because Mother Nature gives us these kinds of things so that our experience here in Earth are unregrettable and happy. So as humans, we should maintain this creation so that the future generation can experience these things.
Nature has been part of the world ever since people have existed, and it should still exist up until the future. In order for that to happen, we should help on cleaning and maintaining its beauty.
Nature provides us not only with food and shelter, but with many other wonderful things. Bringing back the beauty of nature will not only benefit us, but will also benefit the younger generation. It will also provide us with a healthy and beautiful world to live in.
Because nature itself can reduce stress. Not only stress, but it can also reduce anger and fear just by viewing the beauty of the nature.
We want to preserve it for our future generations, and we want to influence the young minds to conserve nature with just in their house. Example like what we will give you, preserving nature through household, so that our future generations can still enjoy it.
According to George Bernard Shaw, progress is possible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. It's better to be late than to be sorry. In order for us to achieve these things, we should make a move. And for just one single plant, you can change everything.